Manipur ki poni mut ki dana ba poni ki maramda malim sin bathungna khanganba ngasidi yamnamak mathau tarakle haina taret suba Manipur International Women's Polo Tournament yawbalaklibi South Africa ki captain Chrisna Spies na TOMTV da pongdarakli ngasidagi mapal kangjibungda chataba holiba taret suba Manipur International Women's Polo Tournament da sarugyabalakibi captain Chrisna Spies na TOMTV ka akhanana unaba amada mahakna hai polo gi poknapam oiriba Manipur da laktuna polo sanaba phangani khanbada pukningda nungaiba ama pawi India da lakpa asi mahaki oinadi ahanmani tournament asida saruk yanaba South Africa gi team oina makoi mari Manipur da lakpani Manipur gi poni ngasi tong mapangle lamdam asigi poni tongmada phangliba mahau asidi top topa amani haina mahakna harauba phongdurakhi lamdam asigi poni yokhatpagi matangda palladuna mahakna makatana hai Manipur ki poni asi masing handarakle haiba tabada aduki matik nuaite karigumba poni na malim gi laimai de gi mutki batarabadi egoi pumnamaki oina achoba ningba kaiba ama oigani poni yokhatke hairabadi malim gi thakta sagol asigi maramda kupna khanganba changi lenga amadi mari lainabasingna poni yokhatnaba ahenba senpham thabadna poni gi damak mathau taba thabak sing paikhatba yamnamak mathau tai aikoi pumnamakna Manipur ki poni asi mutkidana papadnaminasi haina mahakna makata ki.
It's very exciting to be here in the birthplace of polo. It's my first time in India. We are 4 players that came from South Africa as an invitational team chosen by our polo association. We are very excited to play on these ponies here and where polo started. We had a go on the ponies this morning. It's very fun and exciting, so it'll be exciting to play against India A tomorrow, and we are looking forward to it. We were told that the international is to raise awareness towards the extinction of the ponies. It'll be sad to see if in the end it does go extinct, but to be honest, I hope these international tournaments bring awareness towards it so that we can keep the preservation of the ponies. It's very special to see them and especially to be able to play on them. To say that they need to maybe invest more in keeping the ponies welfare, keep it going, keep the ponies going. Like I said, it'll be very sad to see them go. So if the government can, from their end, put funds towards Manipur polo, it'll be very special.